It's Saturday, September 9th, 2017, 4:31 p.m. We're in Brookings, Oregon. And staying at Driftwood RV Camp, Lower Harbor Road, Site 17. We're there till Wednesday the 13th. What you're looking at right there is the Pacific Ocean. We're walking down Patsy, you can get some sand and water.
The sand's right here.
Sand's right here, yeah.
Yeah, that's all wet.
Well, we're going down that ramp down there.
We'll see.
Let's see what the ramp looks like. You getting wet sand or dry sand?
I don't know. I think it'll dry, right?
Yep, should get it dry. You'll get more. Hold on. Hey, how you do?
Hi, good. How are you?
Doing good. Beautiful day.
Yes. Don't see any big ocean liners.
Well, you can see pretty far. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up with me. Oh, I should have brought the tripod with us. There's a buoy way out
My
there.
camera, if I could get a picture.
They're probably freezing. I don't think it's 70 degrees, maybe 75. And that ocean, the Pacific Ocean, freezes to begin with.
Oh,
And that's it for this one. How you do?